Hello world. Welcome back to R.E.D for Fitness by Abhinav Tonk. And today we are going to make a homemade protein pizza. So the good thing about this pizza is that you can have this pizza in your low carb diet, and you can even have this pizza in your ketogenic diet. And this pizza actually tastes as good as the regular pizza. So whenever you want to party out during your dieting days, you can prepare this pizza and have it. So let's talk about the ingredients now. So whatever the quantity of ingredients which I'll be using, in that quantity we can have 3 medium sized thin crust pizza, or 2 medium sized medium crust pizza, or 1 medium sized thick crust pizza. So if you want one thin crust pizza, then you have to multiply the quantity with 1/3. So let's see what ingredients we are using. So first thing we are using is 6 scoops of raw whey protein. Second is 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Third is 50 grams of cream cheese. Fourth is a pinch or 2 of baking soda. Fifth is olive oil.
Sixth thing is 3 whole egg. Seventh thing is 10 grams of psyllium husk.
So these are for making the pizza base. So once the pizza base is ready, we will be requiring pizza sauce to spread over the pizza base. And for toppings, we will be using tomatoes, onions, capsicum, jalapenos, and black olives. And in seasoning, we will be using oreganos, mixed herbs, and Mexican seasoning. Now let's quickly see how we are going to make this protein pizza. So here is the recipe video for you guys. Have a look.
So in microwave safe bowl, we will add 2 scoops of raw whey protein. So I'll add 2 scoops of raw whey protein. After adding raw whey protein, we have to add 120 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese and 50 grams of cheese cream. Then I'll sprinkle some oregano over it. After doing this, we have to keep our ball in microwave for 1 minute so that our cheese melts and we can mix this mixture easily. So I'll run my microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'll take out the ball. You can see the cheese, it's already melted. So we'll start mixing this mixture. So you can take a spoon or fork, whatever you like, in order to mix this mixture. You have to take care of the lumps. So lumps should not form when you are mixing this mixture. So in the final mixture, there should not be any lump. Then you will add around 10 grams of psyllium husk. So after adding psyllium husk, you will continue mixing this mixture. You have to mix this mixture so that the psyllium husk mixes well. Then you add 1 complete egg. I did not add egg initially because the mixture was hot and it might cook the egg. So you need to cool off your mixture and then you have to add the egg. So mix this mixture again. After this, I'll add 4 scoops of raw whey protein again and around 2 pinches of baking soda. I did not add it all the whey protein at once. I'll add it then in parts. So start mixing this mixture again. Then after that, you have to add 2 more whole eggs and mix this mixture. So final mixture will somewhat look like this. So this is the final stage of the mixture. It become little hard. So in order to reduce the hardness, I'll add around 10 ml of olive oil. After adding the olive oil, I'll mix this mixture so that olive oil mixes well. So this is the final mixture, or let us call it as dough. So this is the pizza dough. After that, we have to make the pizza base, circular pizza base. So for that, you have to take cellophane sheet and you have to start making the pizza base in a circular fashion. So I am very poor in making circular chapatis or circular pizza base, so my wife helped me out here. You can use balan also in order to make perfect pizza base, round pizza base. So this is our pizza base. After this, we will spread pizza sauce over it. So we have put the pizza base over the parchment paper and we start adding the sauce. And these are the toppings which I am gonna add. So onion, tomato, capsicum, jalapenos and black olives. So I'll start adding the toppings one by one. I'll start with onions. So all I'll put onions all over the base. After that I'll add capsicum. So it depends on you, the quantity which you want to have in your pizza, quantity of topping. After that I am adding tomatoes. After adding tomatoes I'll add some black olives, and after black olives I'll finally add some jalapenos. So you can add more toppings as per your choice. You can add sweet corn, you can add baby corn, whatever you like. You can add them as your topping. Finally, I'll sprinkle some Mexican herb. You can also sprinkle oregano. So once this is done, I'll finally add remaining 30 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. I like my pizza to be very cheesy, so I sprinkle around 30 grams of mozzarella cheese. So this is your final base. Then you have to put this pizza in oven for around 15 to 20 minutes at 220-degree temperature. And between 15 to 20 minutes you have to check your pizza intervally. So this is the final pizza which came out from my oven. I like my pizza base to be very thick, so this is thick medium sized pizza. Now you have to cut out the pieces out of this pizza. So I'll cut out 8 pieces. So this is the final pizza which we have prepared. So this is the final look.
I hope you like the recipe of homemade protein pizza. So if you like the recipe of protein pizza, you can share it with your family and friends and let them know that even the homemade protein pizza tastes as good as the regular pizza. You can subscribe my YouTube channel R.E.D for Fitness, and you can even like my Facebook page R.E.D for Fitness. I'll be coming up with a lot of recipes in future. Till then, stay tuned and take very good care of yourself.